First, I really learned a lot with the foundational in terms of the presentation, the creating the space, and it works. It brings you in. So when this program came about, I said this would be a great way to take what I've already learned and increase my knowledge, increase my skill. I've gone to lots of seminars, I've taught at lots of seminars, and usually you'll get half an hour or an hour, maybe even 3 hours on opening statement, and that's it. This is 4 days, nothing but opening statement.
The Trojan Horse instructors are excellent at conveying the program in a way that's understandable. They get you up off your feet, they get you interactive, and they get you doing demonstrations that hone your skills to be the best trial lawyer that you can be.
Having gone through several foundational courses, being at the next step is a whole different world. You're working with Alejandro day in, day out, and he'll blow your mind. His brilliance in case framing and the methods that he teaches you are just absolutely amazing. It will require you to work, it will require you to think, and it will require that you break your case down and figure out what the kernel is, what's the key that you need to take into the courtroom with you.
Another part of the strength of the whole Trojan Horse program is to focus on becoming aware of and in control of our behaviors. Trojan Horse teaches us to use our voices in different ways, to find emotional congruity with what we're doing, and to have the ability to let go of a lot of our distracting behaviors that get in the way of our effectiveness as storytellers.
I came out from Louisiana for THM for the framing conference because I know how important it is to be able to frame the facts to your benefit. More in-depth detail about the theory and the behind the framing, and it just goes into so much of the why you do what we do and how it's really truly effective. They teach us, they explain it to us, and then we get up and demonstrate what we've learned. And they go along, and if we have something wrong, they fix it for us and tell us, okay, you're gonna need to do it this way. That's not quite right, until we get it right. The whole objective, we don't leave here until we have it right.